if you're looking for a BigCommerce design and you're looking at a BigCommerce custom template, you have a couple of different options. One is BigCommerce has all these ready-to-go templates, right? But those are cookie cutter. You won't be able to really portray your brand and maximize your visibility for those templates. Those templates are for people who want to grab it, want to launch a website fast, or who don't really care about brand and design. If you care about your brand and if you care about the different types of conversion optimization elements, you need to build a custom template. Now you might ask, hey, I can grab this free template here. I can pay $100 for this template. Why would I pay thousands of dollars on a custom template? I'll tell you why. If you're doing over $4, $5, $6 million, and at Optimum7, we have clients who do all the way to $250 million annually, you are going to need a custom template because your business is more complex. You have thousands of products, different types of products, different stakeholders, different functionalities. You might have different flows in the back end of your operation that might need the front end to match. For example, let's say you sell business cards, right? You need a builder. You need to give your users the capability to build a business card, put fonts, change images. And then once they're done with their business card, then you need to be able to give them an option to preview that business card before they hit order. Similar to Vistaprint, right? Now, Vistaprint's technology is millions of dollars. You don't have to spend millions of dollars, but depending on your organization and your workflows, you might need something custom. At Optimum7, we're very familiar with the different types of template structures on BigCommerce. You might have signed up for BigCommerce 5 years ago. Now you need to upgrade to the stencil template, for example. That's what we do. Or you might want to create a specific product page that is different than all the other product pages. Echo Enclose is a client of ours. This is a great example. If you look at this product page, you will see that this product page has 1,000 different options on one page. You can select the size of the box that you're trying to cut. You can add the quantities. It's dynamic pricing. The price updates based on how many quantities you have or the size of the box that you're gonna cut. It has limitations in terms of what you can cut. You can't do a box that's 100 inches by 5 inches. That makes no sense, right? All of those rules are included here. And on top of that, you can brand it, you can upload an image, etc., etc. This is a custom template. If you need a custom template for your BigCommerce site, let us know. We'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.